Hi, we're gonna make walnut chicken today. And first we have to make the sweet walnut. Then we need a pan. Then we put like half a cup of water in it. Then 2 foot cup of sugar. There's 2 foot cup of sugar. And 1 cup of walnut. They look like they're getting drier right now, but if we want to get it faster, we can put some more sugar in. A little bit more sugar in. Okay, then we put on the wax paper. Okay, I think that's it. We already make the walnut, and now we're gonna make the chicken and the vegetable. Okay, and the chicken, and we use about a pound of dark chicken leg meat. Cut it in dice, then little chop up gingers, and put little pepper and sesame seed oil. Then you put egg in it. Just a 1 egg white. Then you mix with that. With the die pieces, and you're going to put those cornstarch in it. Just you can tell by just enough to cover the meat, you know, like that. And also a little oil. At the meantime, we're going to turn on the heat. Alright, then we're going to use little oil, any kind of oil. Okay, now it's hot enough, so we put the meat in it. So you don't turn it that fast, you just dip it in one side, just stay in one area. Then you turn them over. It don't take too long to cook because the chicken are easy to cook. It's almost okay. Then we're gonna put some We're gonna put some garlic in it. 1 teaspoon of garlic, chop up garlic. And you're gonna put your cooking wine in it. 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, cooking sherry. And also we're gonna use some diced celery and mushroom, sliced mushroom in it. About 1 cup of 1 cup of mushroom and 2 cup of celery, diced celery. You're gonna put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in it. Maybe 1/4 cup of water. And you put the cover on. Let it cook it for a few minutes. Okay, just a few minutes. I think it's done. Then we're gonna put the little more pea pod dice, like cut up pea pod in it. Okay. Then we're gonna mix some sauce. Put the thickening it with some sauce. Just using some water. And some cornstarch with water, and we turn to little bit at a time. You just put a little bit at a time, you know. Just like that. And some sesame seed oil. And I think that's it. And we just cook them out. Okay, I think that's about done. Okay, that's a chicken walnut.